Struggling with poor sound quality, limited controls, or complicated setups? A good digital audio mixer can completely transform your recordings, streams, or live performances. Whether you're into podcasting, gaming, music production, or live streaming, the right mixer gives you clear audio, better control, and professional results. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best digital audio mixers you can buy right now. Powerful, versatile, and perfect for beginners and pros alike. We've checked real user feedback and features to build this list. All product links are in the description for the latest deals. Let's get started. Number 5. FIFINE AmpliGame CS3 Gaming Audio Mixer. The FIFINE AmpliGame CS3 is a compact and stylish 4-channel audio mixer designed especially for gamers and streamers. It features an XLR microphone interface for high-quality voice capture and built-in RGB lighting that adds a modern touch to your setup. With easy-to-use controls, you can adjust mic, game, and background audio independently. It also supports real-time monitoring and quick mute functions, making it perfect for live streaming, podcasts, and gaming sessions. If you want a beginner-friendly mixer with solid performance and cool aesthetics, this is a great entry-level choice. Number 4. MaonoCaster E2 Gen2 Audio Interface Mixer. The MaonoCaster E2 Gen2 is a powerful audio interface mixer built for dual-person podcasting and streaming. It comes with dual XLR inputs, allowing you to connect 2 professional microphones at once. The mixer includes built-in sound effects, voice modulation, and customizable controls to enhance your content. Its plug-and-play design works smoothly with PCs and smartphones, making setup quick and hassle-free. With stable performance and clean audio output, this mixer is ideal for podcast creators, interview setups, and live streamers looking for more flexibility and control. Number 3. DEPUSHEng Multi-Channel Audio Mixer Console. The DEPUSH audio mixer is designed for serious users who need multiple input channels and advanced control. Available in 6, 8, 12, or even 16 channel options, it supports USB connectivity and 48-volt phantom power for condenser microphones. With 256 built-in DSP effects, it offers rich sound customization for music, vocals, and live performances. The durable build and professional layout make it suitable for stage events, DJ setups, and studio recording. If you need a powerful and versatile mixer for large setups, this one delivers excellent value and performance. Number 2. SX91 48V Audio Mixer with Voice Changer. The SX91 audio mixer stands out with its built-in voice changer and multi-purpose functionality. It supports 48V phantom power and works seamlessly with smartphones, PCs, and gaming consoles. Designed for podcasting, karaoke, and live streaming, it offers multiple sound effects, background music options, and voice modulation features. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, while the intuitive controls ensure smooth operation even for beginners. If you want a fun, feature-rich mixer for creative content and interactive streams, this is a great choice. Number 1. Debra V4 4-channel Audio Mixer. The Debra V4 is a reliable and feature-packed 4-channel audio mixer perfect for home studios and live recording. It includes Bluetooth and USB connectivity, allowing easy integration with various devices. With 48V phantom power, delay and repeat effects, and smooth sound control, it delivers clear and balanced audio output. The simple interface makes it easy to adjust levels, effects, and inputs without complexity. Whether you're recording music, streaming, or managing small events, this mixer offers solid performance and great value in a compact design. If you want clear sound, better control, and professional quality audio, a digital mixer is a must-have. These 5 options offer great features for streaming, podcasting, music, and live use. From beginner-friendly to advanced setups, there's something for everyone. Which one fits your setup best? Let me know in the comments.